Setting up shipping zones and classes in Woocommerce is crucial for any business selling physical products. It ensures accurate shipping rates, prevents unexpected costs, and improves the customer experience. By defining zones, you control where you ship and how much it costs based on location. Shipping classes help categorize products by weight, size, or type, allowing for tailored rates and better logistics. Without proper setup, you risk overcharging or undercharging customers, leading to lost sales or profit. It also streamlines fulfillment, making shipping smoother and more efficient. Now that you know that, let's get started. First, go to the sidebar menu on the left of the dashboard and hover your mouse on Woocommerce. A side panel will open where you should click on Settings. Wait for the screen to load and then click on the tab labeled Shipping. We are going to start by setting up your shipping zones by making sure we have the option selected for Shipping Zones. We have already created a zone for you, but you can add as many as you want. You can also edit a zone by clicking on the edit link located to the left of the screen. The first thing that you have to do is to edit the name of the shipping zone. You can add any name you want, but it is recommended to give it the same name as the area that this zone covers. In this case, we only ship in South Africa and we are going to call it South Africa. Under Zone Regions, we are going to add one or more regions that this zone covers. In this case, we are going to select South Africa. If you cannot find the area or country to which you want to ship, then you need to make sure that you selected the correct one in the General tab under WooCommerce Settings. You will find the option called Sell to Specific Countries under General Options. Next, you will be presented with shipping methods. We have already created 3 different shipping methods for you, such as free shipping, flat rate, and local pickup. Let's start with free shipping. Free shipping is a special method that can be triggered with coupons and minimum spending. For instance, when the cart value of the customer has reached a specific price point, then you can offer them free shipping. This is a great way to boost your average order value. They will be able to see how much more they need to spend on the mini cart and cart page. Let's set up your free shipping method. First, click on the Edit link to the right of the free shipping method. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the name. In this case, we are going to call it Free Shipping. For the Free Shipping Requires option, there are different requirements that you can set. In most cases, we are going to choose the option called a minimum order amount. The next option, we can actually set the minimum required amount that needs to be in the cart for free shipping to kick in. You can set the amount that you feel will be the most financially viable for you. Now let's set up your flat rate settings by clicking on the edit link to the right. Another pop-up will appear where you should enter the name. Here you can give it almost any name you want. You can call it flat rate, or you can create your own packages and name them accordingly. It is important to note that you can have more than one flat rate in a shipping zone. Let's say the shipping company that you use offers multiple delivery timelines, such as overnight or 3 days. Overnight will always be more expensive than the 3-day delivery. You can call one flat rate method overnight delivery and charge, for example, are $200 for it, whereas for the 3-day delivery, you can call it 3-day delivery and, for example, charge are $100 for it. You can add a small amount to what the courier company charges for a small profit, or you can just keep it the same. You also have the option to add shipping formulas to the cost field. Why is this important? Well, what is going to happen when the customer adds 10 products to their cart and the shipping rate stays the same? The result is you as the store owner are going to pay more for shipping than what the customer will have to pay, leading to a loss from your side. This is where shipping formulas come to the rescue. You can find the formulas on the tutorial page listed under this step. Here are a couple of formulas that you can use. Just copy and paste them over to the cost field. The first formula is the one for multiplying the shipping rate by the number of products in the cart. The second formula is for having a flat rate and then an amount for each product in the cart. The third formula is for setting the shipping rate as a percentage of the cart value. The fourth formula is for adding a minimum fee that the customers must pay when working with percentage formulas. You can also add max_fee equals 600 for a maximum value. The fifth formula is to charge your customers a flat rate on top of the percentage. Also, keep in mind that the shipping rate that you set here will be for the smaller items that you sell, which takes up little space in the courier van. For larger items, you will have to create different shipping classes. We will get to that later. You can also choose to make the shipping rate taxable, and for the cost, you need to add the amount that you are going to charge. For local pickup, you can also give the customers the option to collect the product from your physical store or address once they purchased it online. Here you can also set the name, tax status, and an amount if you want to. In most cases, you will leave everything as it is. Now let's go to the shipping settings. To get there, you need to click on Shipping Settings, which is located next to Shipping Zones. Under Calculations, we are going to enable both the options called Enable the Shipping Calculator on the cart page and Hide Shipping Costs until an address is entered, which will improve the customer experience in your store. Under Shipping Destination, we are going to select the option called Default to Customer Billing Address, which is already selected for you. And that is basically it for the shipping settings. Now we can go to the Classes section.